Welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to talk about prepositions of cause, purpose, and reason. Let's get started. Remember that a preposition is usually a short word used to link nouns, pronouns, or phrases to other words within a sentence. Have a look at the example over here. If I'm not mistaken, her birthday is in May. Note that the word in is a preposition and it's used to link the noun May to her birthday. Now there are many types of prepositions, and among them are prepositions of cause, purpose, and reason. Remember that they are used to indicate why, what for, or because of what something happens. We usually use these prepositions when we answer the question beginning with why. Have a look at the example over here. Why don't you eat breakfast? I don't eat breakfast to sleep more in the mornings. Now the preposition of cause to in the sentence tells us what for. Now there are several commonly used prepositions of cause, purpose, and reason. Now let's have a look at those uses. A. Due to. Now due to is used to express the cause of the action. Have a look at the example over here. Due to her strict parents, Liz rarely went out. It was difficult for her to make friends. Meaning that her parents were the cause of her not making friends. B. To. To is used to express the purpose of the action. Now it's usually followed by a verb. Have a look at the example over here. People go to clubs to dance and to meet new people. Now these two things are the purpose of people going to clubs, dancing and meeting new people. C. For. For is used to express the reason of the action. Remember that it's usually followed by a noun or pronoun or adjourned. For example, he was taken to the police station for driving under influence. Now, DUI was the reason he was taken to the police station. Now remember that because of is also used to express the reason of something happening. Have a look at the example over here. I need to go home earlier because of my sick cat, meaning that my cat is sick and that's why I need to go home earlier. Now let's review and practice a bit. Remember that we use due to express the cause of the action. And we use to express the purpose of the action. Note that to is usually followed by a verb. Now read the following sentence and fill in the gaps using the appropriate preposition. Emma always has to go to the shop on the outskirts of the city. Buy soy milk, her dairy allergy. Emma always has to go to the shop on the outskirts of the city to buy soy milk due to her dairy allergy. Now we use to express the purpose of the action. Remember that to is usually followed by a verb, and we use for to express the reason of the action. And for is usually followed by a noun or pronoun or adjourned. Now read the following sentences and fill in the gaps using the appropriate preposition. My parents always give extra pocket money to my little brother doing well at school. Thankfully, he is saving up the money, buy a computer instead of spending it on food. My parents always give extra pocket money to my little brother for doing well at school. Thankfully, he is saving up the money to buy a computer instead of spending it on food. Here is a short story using prepositions of cause, purpose, and reason. Listen as I read so you can see how they are used in real-life conversation. After I'm done, make sure you understand all the grammar and read aloud yourself so that you can work on your own fluency and pronunciation. Why can't you go out with us tonight? That's all because of my parents. They are quite strict and don't want me going out late at night. But you aren't going to be alone. I know. They think that all people go to clubs only to get drunk, but I've never done anything inappropriate. There is no reason for them being so negative about it. You're still living with your parents, so you can't really do anything about it. We'll go out some other time then, okay? Now, time for you to practice on your own. Read the following sentences and underline the correct preposition. A. We would like for to thank you for to your hospitality. B. The kid left the room due to cry in his room. C. Dan's mom can't drink milk because of to her allergy. D. It's all because of to you. E. We're so happy for to have you here. F. I always bring sweets for to my little cousins when I'm visiting them. G. Their shop was closed down due to for the financial struggles. H. Oh, the things we do for due to love. I. Due to for the shortage of staff, we are working overtime. J. Timothy always makes coffee because of for his wife in the morning. And now, let's check your answers. We would like to thank you for your hospitality. The kid left the room to cry in his room. Dan's mom can't drink milk because of her allergy. It's all because of you. We're so happy to have you here. I always bring sweets for my little cousins when I'm visiting them. Their shop was closed down due to the financial struggles. Oh, the things we do for love. Due to the shortage of staff, we are working overtime now. Timothy always makes coffee for his wife in the morning. Thank you for watching this tutorial.